Here we go. So, guys, the question is find the value of x, find the value of y. Okay? So, in order for me to find the value of x and y, here we go. First of all, I need to see what's given. Okay? I see that there's an x here. There's a box right here. A box means 90-degree angle. Okay? This mark over here on the left side is the same thing as the right side. So if I have x here, then I have x on the right side as well. The bottom, I have an angle that is on the outside. So for this on the bottom, you have to understand something, or we have to remember something. I see an 80 here, right? I see an 80. But I'm interested in knowing how much is the angle on the inside, right? I know how much is that angle. Because this is a straight line, then this thing is a linear pair. So the angle, this 80 plus my angle is equal to 180. It's a straight line. Remember that? So what I do is I do 180 minus the angle that is given. And that's going to give me my angle on the inside, which is 100. So this angle on the inside is 100 degrees. Same thing with the 70. The 70, I have something like that, and I have a 70 right there. How much is the angle on the inside? Remember, linear pair, the sum is 180. So I do 180 minus whatever is this angle, and that's going to give me 110. So this angle on the inside is 110. All right. So as we notice, all of those angles on the inside are different. Okay. So what should I do? I got to remember that I can find the sum of all the angles. So I can find the sum of all interior angles. And my formula was n minus 2 times 180. All right, 180 degrees. What's n? The number of sides. How many sides I have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is a pentagon. So n is 5. All right, so I just need to replace that in here. All right, so let's do that. Sum equals 5 minus 2 times 180 degrees. 5 minus 2 is 3 times 180. And that's going to give me 540. Okay, so I have the sum. The sum means the sum of all the angles on the inside. All right, and I have most of the angles on the inside, but I don't know about the x or the y. Oh, by the way, let's do the y right away. How much is the y? That's a straight line. If the inside is 90, the outside is 90. So y is 90. That's an easy one. All right, let's look for the x. The x is on the inside, and I have two x's right there. But I know that the sum of all of them equals to 540. So what I do is, let me change the color here. It says, all right, so if the sum is 540, if all of them equals to 540, let me add all of them. Let me start with the 110 here. 110 plus 100. I'm adding all the interior angles. Plus this x. Plus the 90 on the top, on the inside. Plus my other x equals 540. And from there, I just need to find the value of x. All right? So 540 equal to 2x, right? I got two x's right there. And I'm going to add 110 plus 100 plus 90. 110 and 100 is 210 plus